Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday. Okay, y'all ready? All right, we are doing chapter 13, lesson 125, 0 in quotient. Pages 311, 312. We're going to do examples from some other place. Okay, y'all ready? All right, we're still dividing, so nothing's really changed there. All right, so but this time 0 in the quotient. Remember, quotient is the answer to a division problem. So that means we're going to have zeros in the answers today, okay? So let's just jump in and get started, do some examples, so then you can get started. Guys, by the way, I need y'all still to start to upload your pictures clear, right side up. You need to watch the entire video so that you know what work to do. Okay, it's written in my proto page on the calendar, but it's also at the end of this video. You need to watch the videos. Okay, here we go. 2 going into 20.8. All right, how many times can 2 go into 2? 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. We subtract, we have 0. We're not done yet. We have the 0 and the 8 still to go. So we're going to bring down that 0. By the way, I made a mistake. First thing you do is you put that decimal up there. Sorry, guys. Okay. Can 2 go into 0? No. It goes in there 0 times. So you're going to put a 0 right over that 0. You don't just leave it blank and bring down an 8. 2 goes into 0 0 times, so put that 0 up there. 0 times 2 is 0. Go ahead and do this. Then you won't mess up. Bring down your 8. How many times 2 go into 8? 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Now we're done. Remember, yesterday we were annexing zeros. Right here, we're just getting used to this right here. This is what's new. So there's your answer. That's what you're doing today. Let's do another one. 9 going into 45.36. Okay, don't do what I did. First thing you do is put your decimal right up there. Okay? All right. Can 9 go into 45? Can 9 go into 4? No. Can 9 go into 45? Yes. 9 can go into 45 5 times. I'm putting the 5 over the 5. If you want to put in a little 0, placeholder 0, so you don't get confused, by all means do so. 9 goes into 45 5 times. 5 times 9 is 45. We're going to subtract, you get 0, but we're not done yet. You got to bring down that 3. How many times 9 go into 3? 0 times. 9 can't go into 3. So you don't just bring down a 6, you must put the 0 over the 3. 0 times 9 is 0. Subtract, you get 3. Now you bring down your 6. And 9 goes into 36 4 times. 4 times 9, 36. Subtract, you get 0. We're done. Okay. Let's do a few more. Five going into 15.30. Okay, now this is money. All right, this is money. So you're going to put a $sign first and your decimal point. Okay, first thing you do. Now, can 5 go into 1? No. If you want to put a little placeholder 0, you can. You don't have to. Can 5 go into 15? Yes, 3. Make sure that 3 is over that 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down the 3. Can 5 go into 3? No. We're going to put a 0 over that 3. 0 times 5 is 0. And you get 3. Now we bring down the 0. 5 goes into 30 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. You subtract, get 0. So your answer is $3.06. If you need to review these videos or that problem, you just rewind. Okay? All right, the next one I'm going to write down, you're going to pause the video after I write it down. You're going to solve it on your own. And then you're going to come back and check to see if you got it right. So I have 8 going into 0.272. All right, I'll put my decimal right on top there. And can 8 go into 0? No. Can 8 go into 2? That'd be just a 2. No, it cannot. So we have to put a 0 over that. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract, we get 2. Bring down your 7. 8 goes into 27 3 times. Put that 3 over the 7. 8 times 3 is 24. You subtract, you get 3. Bring down your 2. 8 goes into 32 4 times. Put that 4 over that 2. 4 times 8 is 32. And so there's your answer. You don't have to put that 0 there. Your answer could be 0.034 as well. It doesn't matter. Okay. I'm going to do another one. You pause the video and then you come back and check to see if you got it right. 3 going into 1899. Okay, pause your video, work it, and come back. Put your decimal right over there. Can 3 go into 1? Nope. So then we check, can 3 go into 18? Yes. 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. We subtract, we get 0. Bring down your 9. Can 3 go into 9? Yes, it can. 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. I get 0, but we're not done yet. We still have that other 9. Don't quit just because you got a 0. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we can stop. There's no more numbers, and we got a remainder of 0. Hopefully y'all got that right. I got 2 more to do, and I'm setting you free. 4 going into $17.20. I gotta take these off. All right, first thing you do is put the $sign up there and the decimal. 4, can 4 go into 1? Nope. Can 4 go into 17 though? Yes. 4 goes into 17 4 times. The 4 goes over the 7. 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract, you get 1. Bring down your 2. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. We get 0. Guys, guess what? You're not done yet. See that 0? Bring it down. 4 does not go into 0. Goes in there 0 times, basically. 0 times 4 is 0. Subtract. Now we're done. That's our remainder. Okay? Hopefully we got that right. All right, last one, guys. Last one. And again, if you're having trouble, go back to the beginning of the video because this one's not very long. Go back to the beginning of the video. Watch my demonstrations again. You can pause at any time. You can even pause it on one of the problems while you're doing your homework. Okay? So this one, I want you to pause your video, work it, and then come back and see if you got it right. Okay, so pause it. Okay, we're going to put decimal up here. 6 does not go into 1, but 6 does go into 12. Goes in there 2 times. Put that 2 over the 2 because of it being 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Bring down your 0. 6 goes into 0 0 times. 0 to, you don't say, oh well, and then keep bringing numbers down. You go ahead and you put that 0 up there. 0 times 6 is 0. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down your 6. 6 goes into 6 1 time. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtracting, you got 0. That's your remainder. You've run out of numbers up here. Okay, now if you want to go back and check, all you do is take your answer and multiply it by 6. And we get 6, 0, 12.1. And it checks. So that's how you check it if you want to make sure you're getting it right. I prefer this over a calculator. Do not use a calculator. It is not going to help you later on. Trust me when I tell you. Remember, I teach all the extra grades going up. Trust me when I tell you, it is not going to help you. All right, I'm going to set you free now. Okie dokie. You are going to do page 311. And you're going to do numbers 1 through 11 all. Just solve. Okay, just solve. It's due Wednesday. You have IXL due Friday. And you have a test on Friday on this whole chapter. So you better be studying the IXL and everything else. All right, guys? Okay, take care. If you need anything, let me know. I'm here to help. Bye.